Everyone, welcome back. I'm Steve and this is my good friend
Rich Luck.
Yay! Today, well, you've been here for a week or 2 weeks.
Yeah.
What is your favorite thing to do in LA?
Go to La Boutique.
La Boutique
In, where is it located at?
Anaheim, California.
Yeah, you guys, this is an amazing shop that has the most rarest Labubus and collectibles
Yep.
on the planet.
It's like a Labubu heaven.
Yeah,
And
we got something.
We're gonna unbox this today.
Dun, 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 dun.
Da, 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 da. And then at the end of the video, we have one of a very rare Labubu giveaway. So stay tuned. But let's open this first.
Okay, let me take the. Oh yeah. All right, scissors, please.
Scissors, please.
Now, is there a way to open the box?
You rip it out. You just gotta. People actually keep the box.
I would keep the box. You know, I would. No, yeah, seriously. Okay.
I throw away my Z-Momo box.
Why?
It's just too big. I mean, I don't want it.
Now, what I'm doing is I'm cutting it carefully, so that way, if you wanted to box it back up,
Yeah.
there you go. Look at that precision cut.
Awesome.
All right. So tell us, this is
The Rock the Universe.
Rock the Universe.
It's the newest launch for Labubu.
How new is this?
About 2-3 months, two months, maybe less than 2 months. So this is part of the big Into Energy series, and everybody know that big Into Energy release, and they also released a big Labubu. This is the car right here. It's just the one here.
It looks like a car freshener.
It smells like Labubu.
This part I always get kind of annoyed by. Oh my god, he has a necklace.
Oh my! You know what? It looks so much more cuter in person. Show them.
Here, I'm gonna hand it to Steve. He's gonna put it to the camera.
Yes.
There you go.
Look how cute is that? The necklace.
Turn it around so they can see the process. I have to unbox that and cut through the rope
Yeah.
because you can't just take it out.
Yes.
Okay, so
It's a process.
so this one here,
Oh, we need to cut this open.
yeah, they really like put it in there.
And then there's more down here. This is like a lot of work.
Yeah, this is what they don't tell you about. That's why there really are collectibles. I get that some people don't understand the gig, but when they first started coming out, I thought they were kind of creepy looking, and then I kind of just like, oh, you know, I kind of like it. And then there's this whole fascination of collecting them. But you know what I love most is finding the clothes.
Oh my
When
god.
you get one of these, it's an excuse for me to go to the baby section at Target or Walmart.
Oh, La Boutique. They have so
or
many
La
outfits.
Boutique.
Yes.
Okay, so here, this has to come out a little bit. There you go. There you go.
So cute.
And here you go.
Oh my god. Wait, why is this thing right here? Oh my god.
He's in his ears. Oh, here's what the box looks like, empty.
Oh, they put a, I'll show you. Oh my god.
Yeah, be very careful because it's right by the ears.
This time, you know, we always want to carry Labubu, right? What do you call this? Little
That is what I like to call a hook.
hook.
A
You
little
can
hook.
put your. You can carry this.
Hey, can you show me how?
You need to.
But let me say, Steve, you have a lot of little chains.
I know.
Everywhere. This is the first one that you can like wear as a crossbody,
Yep.
and I like that.
And just look at how smooth she is. Actually, Labubu is a girl.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Labubu is a girl. The necklace is being sewn, but you can remove that. But we're not gonna do that because it's so cute.
Oh, it's sewn in the necklace.
Yeah, but you can cut the thread.
This okay. Out of all the Labubus, this big one is the fur is a little different compared to
Yes.
the other ones.
Yeah. And then they have a multi-color kind of representative, a big Into Energy, all in one basically. It actually looks much more cuter in person than the video.
It gives me like sherbet vibes. You know the ice cream
yeah.
sherbet? That's what when I saw this, I was like, oh, it looks like a sherbet.
They're so cute.
The eyes do move.
Rainbow eyes. Don't mind us. We're just like, oh my, how cute is this?
And then I like to inspect the fur and the lining. And then down here it says Pop Mart. And it has the name of the designer.
Is it?
Right here. It's with the K. You can barely see it. You'll see pop mark.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is cute. Protect the face. Steve always says the face is easy to get damaged or
dirty.
scratched.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is it bendable? Let's see, not bendable here.
Not bendable.
You're gonna have three hooks.
Why there's 3?
See, I guess so we can hang like that. But you can do a crossbody moment. And
oh wait, there's another one. Oh no, it's not.
Is it?
No.
It looks kind of look like it. No, this has them heavy. It has a little look. There's like you can feel beans.
Yeah, she got booty. Do you see all the social media? They give Labubu a breast and booty. That's crazy. Oh my god, this is so cute. So now let's talk about giveaway.
Okay.
I really appreciate that you put my video in your channel, and thank you. Even though we're friends, I don't ask because I don't do that. But
Steve is so nice. Anytime he wants to ask, I'll most likely say yes. Anything for Steve.
Oh, okay, it's on the camera now.
Yeah, literally, just ask.
I know, but I don't like to just ask.
I do. He knows.
Yeah, that's different. All right, so we are giving away. This is a really cool Labubu. Okay, you ready for your fans?
Okay.
Ta-da! This one.
Okay. Wow.
This is released early this year. It's a Labubu. It's a Checkmate the Queen.
Checkmate Queen.
And this is very hard to find too. That is about $50 retail.
Wow.
Value is over $80 to $100
Yeah.
each.
I believe that.
And I will make sure that we mail this out to you guys, okay?
Okay.
Somebody want to keep this one. It's cute.
That is cute.
It's a pendant.
You see, so this is totally different from the mystery
yeah.
boxes. This is specific. Outside of that is this one called Checkmate or
Checkmate.
And wow, it's basically a Labubu that came from a box. But they decorated it?
Yeah, so they released the Checkmate. I don't have this Labubu, but in a king outfit.
Yes, I remember that. It had
the cape and all that. And then they released this one for pendant. But they don't have a mystery box for this collections. Yeah, they don't. They only have a key charm. I mean, every time Labubu release a collection, there's like all kind of stuff in there. So
this is nice. How long have you had this one?
I also got that from La Boutique.
When? Did you get it? A couple months ago? A week ago?
About 2 months ago. I didn't tell you. I don't tell you everything. You don't tell me everything either. Rich is like, you didn't tell me.
Well, no, because you'll do things. I'm like, you did that? You didn't tell me about it?
You bought the Erewhon olive oil.
You went to Erewhon?
You didn't tell me.
Why would I
tell you? That's crazy. Anyway, see the next slide for the how to enter this giveaway. Very simple. All right. Well, thank you so much for having me on your video. I really appreciate this.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for your support.
Anytime. And check this out, guys. This is awesome. If you want to get Labubus like this, let me get it right here. At La Boutique, they have.
La Boutique.
And these are kind of rare. Like they're not like the regular smuggler. You can just. They're a little bit more exclusive to get, so definitely check it out. And again, if you don't care about Labubus, they have Sunny Angels.
Oh yeah.
They have the Chucky Pop Mart. They have a lot of Pop Mart IP addresses there. I think Skull Candy or Skull Baby,
Panda.
Skull Panda, something like that.
There's so many stuff in there.
Yeah, and what I liked about it is that they have a wall full of clothes for Labubus.
Oh my god.
And it's like they're themed. Like, I saw Lowe's, Starbucks, Pizza Hut, Domino's, and then of course dripping in designer too.
Yes.
Bye guys.